How to enable OneDrive Sync. If you have been using the OneDrive application and wondering on how to enable the sync on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your profile icon at the top left corner, select it. Then here you can find settings, tap on it. Then here you can find camera backup right here, select it. Now to turn the sync on, tap onto this button right here and turn it on. Just like this. Now after turning it on, you can simply view the photos and files and videos on the OneDrive as well. And that's it. This is how you can enable OneDrive Sync. Your files will now start syncing to OneDrive. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.